What's up, streamers? Papa Stanimus here with another streaming subject that I'd like to discuss with you guys, and that is, what's the difference between playing video games on stream and putting on a motherfucking show for the people? I'm really excited to talk about this subject. I talked to a lot of streamers about this. I'm very passionate about it. Before we get into the deep details, I want to talk about today's sponsor, me, Papa Stanimus. I sponsor these goddamn videos. Thank you for watching. And if you're digging these videos and you want to support me, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. Maybe join Discord, come set up a one-on-one with me. We could talk about some streaming stuffs. Streaming is a dream job. Everyone that gets into it would just love for this to be what they do. All they have to do is go online, play some video games, hang out with some friends while you play, right? And get paid. It's not like that. It's really not like that. It is very much figuring out, how do you get attention on yourself? And when those people are there, how do you do things to make them feel good, feel happy, feel like they're in the right place, and come back for a future show? It's very much not playing video games. A lot of streamers want to go live and just play video games and get paid for it. And that's like, I don't know, 10 years ago or something. Like, there's no room for that anymore. Like, if streaming has evolved, you don't just do that anymore and you just make it. There's so much you got to do to make it as a streamer these days. The bar is constantly being pushed further and further every year, right? What it takes to really stand out and seem creative and interesting and win people over, it requires so much more than usual. You know, people are going way above and beyond with their personas are doing and their effects and their sets and what it is they're doing to engage the chat. It's everything. Everybody's getting so clever. The more time that goes by, more and more clever ideas, and the bar is being pushed further and further. And you just can't go live and play video games and expect to grow from that. I see it all the time. I talk to streamers every single day, and they all have the same problem. They're all just going live, just playing video games. One guy that I was looking at today, I watched his stream, and I got through it pretty well, because I showed him, I'm like, okay, let's watch your VOD. Now let's watch a VOD of like someone who's top tier, really putting on a show and has a chat and stuff, you know? And for him, you know, his idea was, well, I play video games, might as well stream playing them. And I think, you know, that's fine. You can do it. You can do that. However, the issue is that you're still doing the same thing as before. So you're not really being productive. You know, if you think that just turning on the stream, to stream your gameplay that you're already going to do is like making use of your gameplay, it's really, in my opinion, not unless you're putting some sort of effort into that stream. Because if you don't put any effort into it, like, there's some people, they put so little effort into their streams, literally nobody will watch, not even one person. And this is just my opinion here. I think that when you get in front of the microphone and camera, I love saying that, when you get in front of these things, okay, you're here to use these to put on a show for the people, because you're doing this to be seen and to be heard, okay? And you want people to be there and look at you and watch. So what you need to be doing is, sure, you have a game, but that's just a tool at your disposal. It's just an asset, okay? There's still a broadcast you need to be putting on for the people. You, as the performer, is what makes them want to be there, not you playing a game. Because there's over 4 million people going live as of right now on Twitch every month. And 99% of them are just people going live and playing video games. It's really mostly people doing that. So it's really easy to stand out from those guys. You just look at them and put in a little bit of work into your stream and take it a little bit more seriously than they are. And bam, you're already like way past them, you know? And then you enter a realm of people that are also looking at it the same way. They're not there just to play video games. Streamers that are being successful are not there just to play video games. I was talking to another streamer today, and he's like, if a game was, if he was streaming something and it was doing really well, but he was getting bored, he would just stop. And I asked him, like, well, don't you want to grow? Don't you want to get bigger? And he's like, yeah, but I don't want to play anything I don't want to play. And I'm thinking, well, you probably wouldn't not want to play it And, and I got it out of him. He's like, well, if I get bored of something, I don't want to play it anymore. And I'm thinking, well, then if something's working and you're doing that and then you just stop because you're bored, you're getting in your own way. You'll never grow. Anytime anything good happens, you'll just get bored of it and you'll stop, and that thing that was working will go away. It's very much mentality based. And the point of this video is saying that if you're just going live playing video games, hoping that something amazing is going to happen to you and you're just going to magically become a paid full-time gamer, it's not going to happen. Even if you're like super good, like there's a lot of people that are really good at the game. There's a lot of people that are funny. There's a lot of people that are all this stuff, right? They do all these different things. And to really stand out, and if you really want to approach this, you got to just stop hanging out with the boys, stop just playing some video games, and take your show seriously when you go live. That's really the message I want to give with this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. I'm Pop Stanimus. I'm probably live on Twitch right now. I talk a lot about this stuff in my Discord as well. So check me out on Twitch at TTV Pop Stanimus. Join the Discord at discord.gg/GameRebel. Get involved. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Drop a comment down below with any thoughts on this matter. And I'll see you guys in the next video.